To change a battery in the keyless key for the Škoda Octavia 2013, you will need a screwdriver, open the key, insert the screwdriver here and just twist until it opens up. Pop it open. Then you'll need a smaller screwdriver to get the battery out. There's a little hole here. Put it in here. Get the battery out. And that's it. Replace your battery. Close it. This little hatch is put back into place. Snap it in, and you have a key with a new battery where you can open the car with just touching the door handle.